Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're on Herne Bay seafront, taking in those incredible views from a beautifully, even incredibly characterful balcony flat on the first floor at number 39 Central Parade. Now, this property offers character in abundance and finished to a really high level. The previous owners of the property had a real penchant for creating spectacular spaces with their original charm and character, and this property certainly does that. We've got one very large double bedroom, panoramic sea views from the front, off-road parking to the rear with the allocated space as well, and you've got thoroughly packed full of original and restored character features throughout the entirety of the property. From the front then you've got a beautiful lounge opening through onto that canopied balcony to take in those amazing sea views, and of course get the sunrises and the sunsets as well. Coming through from the main hallway, we've taken a good look at the main family bathroom. Coming through to the rear, you've got that gorgeous bedroom, incredibly tall ceilings there, giving each room a huge sense of space. Coming through to the front, first thing you notice here is that beautiful picture window straight ahead of you, and of course then the fireplace on the left hand side. Those tall ceilings and original cornicing and coving, it's absolutely stunning, and the balcony itself, what a feature. It's so rare to find something like this on the North Kent coast restored to this level of finish. Just off to the side then we've got a very functional kitchen opening through into the living space there as well. Huge amounts of light coming through from the sash window there at the end as well. Absolutely beautiful throughout and practical as well with that off-road parking. Now, it is worth noting that you do have a separate utility room accessible just from the communal hallway, just as you come up to the first floor. That is very, very convenient indeed. Utility space, storage area, nice to be able to keep those machines wearing away but outside of your apartment. So let's go out onto the balcony now and take in those amazing views. I'll leave you for a few moments just to take that in, and then we'll recap a few points on the property. So there we have it. That has been the first floor flat here at number 39 at Central Parade. An incredibly characterful balcony flat there with that one large double bedroom, panoramic sea views from the front, off-road parking to the rear, gorgeous character with those tall ceilings, cornicing and coving, and of course you've got that separate utility room as well. Of course, this property is offered with no forward chain and vacant possession, making it perfect for moving straight into. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. No doubt you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.